Hey guys, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Mature Skin Makeup Monday for hot flashes and wrinkles. And we are going to be testing out, this is a new brand at Ulta. It is called Smith & Cult. And this is Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation. That sounds good, huh? Okay, and we are going to start off with concealer. And I'm going to use my Huda Beauty today, because I haven't used this one in a while, and I remember I liked this one a lot too. So, and I'm just going to put it under my eyes. Oh, I forgot to tell you, wow, that came out a lot. So we'll just do that with our finger and put it over here. And then we're going to put it down my nose, on my chin. I'm not going to put it on my forehead though, because that's where it seems to not want to play nice. Okay, I got a lot, but anyway, I am just now going to take my sponge and blend this out. Like I always do. I know I have to go fast. Probably should have done one side at a time, but oh well. It'll be fine. Okay, now we're going to contour. I'm going to use my Tarte Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use this right here. This color is called Shade for my contour. I just start at the top of my ear and aim for the corner of my mouth. And then I just go crazy everywhere else, because I like to. Give me a little tan going here. I was going to self-tan last night, but I was too lazy. That was my plan when I didn't want to do it during the day. Was, oh, I'll just do it tonight. And then when I went to put my jammies on, I'm like, I'm too tired. I don't want to. I waited too long. Now I'm going to take my paintbrush. It's all it is. It's a regular paintbrush that was flat, and I cut it to make an angle, and I'm going to use this to do my nose and my lips. We're going to use our jelly highlighter too. I'm just going to take some, this is from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to take some on my finger, not much, and tap it onto my cheekbone. Some glow going on. And I basically do the same thing with my finger that I do with my sponge. And you just twist a little bit to push it down in the pores and the wrinkles. And it just does wonders. Oh, did I tell you that I started off with Pixie and base tape? I did. I already had those on. So, and I used the Huda Beauty, and I used this, but I'm going to use this again. So, I'm just going to go over this a little bit. over everything a little bit, just to blend anything that's not blended. I really don't want to take any off. I just want it to blend a little bit. Because see, I already don't have that much contour left. Okay, now with the foundation that we are testing out today, and I'm just going to put some on my hand, the back of my hand, and then I'm going to dot it on. And I got way too much. Because I just want it to not be super covering. And it may be, because I've never used it before. And I will come back in and tell you everything there is to know about this foundation, because I always forget to look it up first. It's looking really nice. I don't know if it's blurring. It's glowy. It definitely seems like it's going to need to be set, I think. Just because it's so glowy. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my powder because I think it needs to be set. And set my under eyes. Brighten up here. Brightening up here with powder is so much better for me and my wrinkles than putting concealer there. And now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and spread that powder to the rest of my face. Well, it looks pretty good. It's not in the wrinkles yet. Okay guys, it's looking pretty good. I'm not wowed by it yet, but it's not bad. It's not sinking in the wrinkles. So I'm gonna go off camera, finish my makeup, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look of the day. So this foundation is doing really nicely so far. I don't really see the blurring. I don't really know what blurring is supposed to look like because I feel like I'm drooling. Because when you have wrinkles, like I do, nothing blurs them. They're there. I mean, maybe Botox. I don't know because I can't afford Botox. But if I could, I would. So I don't know about the blurring, but it's not sinking into wrinkles so far. It seems to be set. I'm not sure about that. I'll let you know at the end of the day. Okay guys, this is what it says on Ulta's website about this foundation. It comes in 42 shades and it says that it's exclusive to Ulta. It says, for skin that feels covered, never caked. Apply Smith & Coult's Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation to soften skin with an illuminating finish. The mousse to cream formula uses aloe vera gel and chlorophyll to instantly calm and brighten. Apply with your fingers, brush, sponge, or whatever to simply melt foundation into the skin. Your face, your rules. That's what it says. So, I am going to go and I'll be back at the end of the day to check in with you and let you know how it held up to hot flashes and whether it sunk into my wrinkles. I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. This is our final check-in. No lipstick. I'm loving it. It is not sinking into, well, it is in this wrinkle a little bit, but you know what? That's impossible not to be in. So I don't even count that one anymore. But it's not sinking into these. It's not sinking into these. It's not in those. It looks beautiful. It really does. And it's got just enough glow. It's a really good one. It's not cheap though. It retails for what? $42. $42 and you get a bottle full. It feels heavy. It's a big bottle, but I don't see the ounces on it. Let me put these on and see if I can find it. It's not on that side, and there's no other writing on the bottle, so maybe it's down here. My color is 150 warm. Oh, there it is. It's 1.11 fluid ounces, so it does have a lot. It seemed like it was bigger, but sometimes it's just a thick bottle because it's definitely a heavy bottle. But you do get 1.11 ounces, and most of them are an ounce or less, so you get a good amount, but it's still $42. But I think it's a good one because it goes on pretty sheer, so you don't need a lot, especially if you put it on the way I put it on. When you do it that way, you don't need nearly as much. You saw how much I wiped off, so I wasted that. Anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up for sure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!